it to you. The last message I had off him, I sent him one and I weren't so nice, because I've been quite nice, you know, been fair, kept my cool. And the last message I had off him, he put, the gaffer has been in contact with Yasu today for you. The engineer who is dealing with your unit will be back on Tuesday. Unfortunately, he's the only guy with an update. Sorry, regards.
Yeah, something still sounds fishy.
Yeah, I'm trying to knock him out, mate, tomorrow. He don't sort that radio or does that though, I'll get nicked tomorrow, so I will option him. And when the old bit asks why I've optioned him, because he's got £1,000 on my money and he's doing nothing about it.
Isn't it 8 weeks now, mate, that has, Roger?
Yeah, that's right, Scotty, yeah. 8 weeks.
It took me down there for the day. I couldn't even realise. It felt like last year, mate, honestly. He's proper taking the mickey, mate. Where is it? Radio World, is it?
That's the one, yeah.
Ooh, don't buy one from there.
Hey, John. Go on, my guy.
What's the radio? Is it a 480?
No, an 891 with the FC50 tuner to match.
If it was me, mate, I'd say, right, you can have the radio back and I'll have my money back, thank you.
Well, I have tried that one, mate, but he made it quite clear that I will not be getting a refund. So I want a new radio.
Who said that, Dave or Sam?
Ed, the CB mechanic.
The engineer?
Ooh, we heard bleed over from other channels.
Go again, Graham.
Someone's running 2 up.
Economy and give you more power anyway.
Mr. Management.
Yeah. I know, I told Mark. He's only a couple. So 40 more back to you to give it to you again. So it's come 40 more back on to wait now, maybe 7 weeks. To still not have had my radio back or even the courtesy of a call to say, well, like, we'll give you a replacement.
I'd say you want to speak to Dave, who owns the place, yeah? And explain it, say, right, I'm not happy with this, I want my money back. Just say I'm not happy with what Ed, your technician, has said and done. Therefore, I want my money back, because it was faulty when I bought it.
I'll give it a go tomorrow. I'll give them a little squeeze. I'll give them till 2 o'clock tomorrow.